Alright, so the way this would work, to find FOG at 1, I start by taking 1 and plugging it into G. And I do that up here at the table, so I come across to where I have 1, I go down to G, that would be 0. So when I plug 1 into G, I get 0. Then I take that answer, 0, and I plug it into F. So I come across here to 0, when I plug into F, it should be -1. So the answer for the first one should be -1. Alright, let's try one more. FOG at -1. I start with the -1 and I plug it into G. So here's -1. When I plug into G, I get 0. So I'm going to get the same answer again. That confused me a little bit there. I thought maybe I did the first one wrong. Alright, so FOG at -1, I start with -1, I plug it into G, I get 0. I then take the 0 and I plug it into F, I get -1 again. Alright, let's do one more so that we get a different answer. Hopefully. GOF at -1. Alright, so now I start with -1 and I plug it into F first. I plug -1 into F, looking at the table I get -3. So I then take the -3 and I plug it into G. -3 plugged into G is right there, that gives me a 5. Alright, hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have more.